friends. Now take a A4 size paper and fold it to half as shown in the video, and fold it for second time like this as shown in the video. Now take some gap and cut it with the scissor. Here I am making strips. Apply glue inside the paper strip like this and fold it neatly. Here I am making butta for the doll. So here I am making strips. Make a thick paper strip like this. Make some more, after all 8. Like this, take one by one strip and arrange as shown in the video. Arrange one by one in upper position. One by one as shown in the video in cross mode. Like this, attach one by one strip. Here I am making paper butta, paper basket for the doll. Complete total process. Like that you have to make in a flower shape. Now take 3 mm paper strip. Repeat same procedure for making this strip also. Now take strip and rotate around this circle as shown in the video. One up and one down. One up and down. Like this procedure, repeat the strip around the circle like this. One should be in the upper position and one should be in the from the down side. You have to repeat same procedure until how much space you want in the middle part. Like this you have to repeat same procedure. If the strip is completed, now take another strip and attach to it, and then repeat same procedure like this. Strip one by one, one up and one down. Repeat same procedure until end. Here I am making paper butta for doll, wedding theme, Gauri Puja. Like this you have to make. Now take the big paper strip and fold it like this. Now take again 3 mm paper strip, thick paper strip, and rotate same procedure, one up and one down. Like this you have to, how much height you want, that much you have to make big height. If the strip is completed, connect another one with the help of glue. Now rotate around this circle as shown in the video. Here I am making butta basket for the bridal doll. Like this you have to repeat it. After completing, cut the excess and apply glue and close it neatly with the help of glue. Repeat same procedure for all the strips. Now the butta is completed, paper butta. It is looking super simple, cute, and I have painted it to give a real look. Now I have decorated with the paper flowers like this.